Today's surface transportation challenges require smart, sustainable designs. And civil engineers need a single tool set to seamlessly go from planning and preliminary design to optimization of detailed design to pre-construction. The Autodesk AEC Collection is all you need to design, engineer, and construct higher quality, more predictable road and highway projects. Capturing and modeling existing conditions on a transportation project can be time-consuming. Using InfraWorks and Recap, this process is streamlined. Model Builder in InfraWorks allows you to quickly incorporate existing data to generate an intelligent model of the existing environment of your project. Additional details such as buildings, utilities, street signs, and other features can be easily added to your model. To augment the existing conditions model you generated in InfraWorks, Recap allows you to capture elements of your project, such as a roadway section, and bring it into InfraWorks as point cloud data. You can then easily process the point cloud to generate terrain or do analysis of your project by applying classification themes for your project, like intensity and elevation. Once existing conditions have been recorded, you can begin to conduct the preliminary design layout for your roadway project, easily setting roadway alignments while quickly adding turn lanes, intersections, and overpasses. In addition, generating your preliminary design within the real-world context of the project's existing environment allows you to more effectively communicate with project stakeholders and the public about your roadway project. After authoring the preliminary design roads for your project in InfraWorks, you can move your model to Civil 3D to perform detailed design. This includes correcting any design violations or reviewing ground profile views to assess cut and fill requirements. You can also generate a corridor and tie it into the roundabout initially modeled in InfraWorks and quickly generate your feature lines from the corridor to complete your roundabout detailed design. And if you're designing a bridge, InfraWorks allows you to send the object directly to Revit, so you can complete more detailed structural design work. The software automatically builds a full-blown Revit model of the bridge, complete with girders, piers, bearings, and rail components. With your design complete, you can now easily assess the constructability of your project using Autodesk Navisworks. Navisworks allows you to add schedule information from various sources and connect tasks in the schedule with objects in the model to create a simulation. You can see the effects of the schedule on the model and compare planned dates against actual dates. Costs can also be assigned to tasks to track the cost of a project throughout its schedule. The Autodesk AEC Collection provides you with a rich set of tools to use across the project lifecycle, so you can deliver more scalable, sustainable, and resilient road and highway projects.